independent clause, coordinating conjunction, and another independent clause. For example, a compound sentence is two independent clauses. These clauses are joined. You guys know what is joined? Están unidas by a coordinated conjunction. And I know that maybe you don't know what is a coordinated conjunction, but I will let you know. Because I know that you know, but you don't know it by the name. Each part can stand alone as a complete sentence. It has two independent clauses. And we join with a coordinated conjunction that we call it fanboys. Have you heard about fanboys or no? Never? I'll show you. Let's read one example of a compound sentence. She was tired, but she finished her homework. That's a compound sentence. What is joining the sentence? Good. Thank you, Juan. But the first statement is that she was tired. And it's joined by the conjunction. What? But. And then the rest of the sentence. She finished her work, her homework. What does that but mean? Means that even she was tired, she finished her homework, right? So that means that has two independent clauses. These clauses are joined by a coordinated conjunction. Have you heard about but? ¿Saben ustedes, han usado en sus oraciones la palabra but?
Yeah.
All the time. But we never know that that's a coordinated conjunction. You know the word but as a but, pero. But we never think, oh, that's a coordinated conjunction. We don't know that. We are not worried about the name, but that's the name, like the grammatical name. Each part can stand alone as a complete sentence. You guys understand this? Cada parte de esta oración could stand alone. If you say, she was tired, is it good to say she was tired? Yes, because like, what I want to say is that every part, like, she was tired, and she finished her homework, could be separate sentences, and you will understand, right? But in this case, you put a conjunction that is but, and you join it, okay? These are the fanboys. I don't know if you guys can read. Here it says conjunction, here is the meaning, and here is the example. The fanboys, fan boys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. That's fanboys.
Okay.
Porque, y, ni, pero, o, sin embargo, así que. Right?
That's it.
Rosita, can you read this example?
I was hungry, or I hadn't eaten all day.
That makes sense to you guys?
Yeah.
What is the conjunction?
For.
Thank you. Juan, the next one, please.
She likes tea and he likes coffee.
Makes sense this one by itself? ¿Tiene sentido esta parte de la oración solita?
Yes.
Yes, you could say she likes tea. And it's a simple sentence. And then comes the conjunction. What is the conjunction?
And
There you go. Janet, the next one.
He doesn't eat meat, nor does he eat eggs.
Ajá. He doesn't eat meat. Y si usted quiere decir ese ni, ¿qué utiliza?
no.
Nor. That conjunction. Entonces, ni una cosa,
Yeah.
ni la otra. Right? Next. But. Pero. Put it.
I want to go, but I was too tired.
Yes. What is the conjunction? But. If you say by yourself, I want to go, and I was tired, las dos oraciones por separado tienen sentido. Se vuelven oraciones que
What?
simples,
Yeah.
right? But we make a compound sentence using but. Or, David,
Okay, you can have pizza or you can have salad.
yeah, sounds good. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Yet, Hector,
It's raining, yet they are still outside.
thank you. What is, in this case, yet is used like sin embargo.
Yeah.
You can say, it's raining, yet they are still outside.
Yes.
Right? Y vamos completando our fanboys. The last one. Lily.
I just study hard, so I fast.
Thank you. So that means a CK. Right? If you learn it like fanboys, you will memorize. And the last one is the complex sentence. What is the definition? One independent clause plus one or more dependent clauses.
Two or more.
Subordinated conjunctions like because, although, when, if, unless. For example, because it was late, I went to bed. That's a complex sentence, and I will teach you later more. Notice how one part depends on the other to make sense. Este pedazo es el más importante para que ustedes comprendan esto. Una parte depende de la otra. ¿Cómo puede tener sentido esta oración? Para que sea una complex sentence.
Leerla completa.
Yes.
Yeah. No.
¿Y de dónde depende? ¿De qué depende? Yes. Del inicio. Because. Y esto puede ser because, porque yo estaba tarde, me fui a la cama. Pero ahí puede ser aunque, although,
Also.
cuando, when. Cuando yo tenía hambre, fui y me comí una pizza.
Yeah.
So, necesita de una para que haga sentido que la otra parte, right? And then, quiero mostrarles, I want to show you guys, before to do that, I want to show you this chart. Here, you can see the simple sentence, the compound sentence, and the complex sentence. And in the last chart, I'm showing you the subordinated conjunctions. Let me see. Can you read that?
Stop,
Did
stop.
you reach or no? ¿Se alcanzan a leer? Did you reach?
More or less.
Okay. So let's try with the simple sentence. Señora Evita, can you read the simple sentence, please? Here. Just the simple sentence short. Mom cooked dinner. Thanks. Compound sentence. Dianita.
She was tired, but she finished her homework.
Two independent clauses. What are the clauses? She was tired and she finished her homework, ¿cierto? And then joined by a coordinated conjunction. Which one, what is the coordinated conjunction in this sentence? But. Let's go with the complex sentence. One independent clause. One or more dependent clauses. Using subordinated conjunctions. ¿Cuáles son las subordinated conjunctions? Estas que vemos acá. These that we can see
Also.
en este pedacito.
No.
Because, although, if, when, unless, until, before, since, and whenever. Ahorita you guys can take a picture of this, don't worry.
Okay.
Let's see the example of the complex sentence. Edward, can you read this example?
Down or
Yes, this one.
okay. Because it was late, I went to bed.
Ajá. One independent clause plus one or more dependent clause. Pero la una, ¿se acuerdan que depende de que yo ponga qué? Una conjunción, the conjunction.
Conjunction.
In this case, which one is the conjunction, Danelis? Yes, because. What we're gonna do now,
The conjunction.
you guys can see the chart, and we are gonna work in pairs, trying to create 2 sentences per type. 2 simple sentences, 2 compound sentences, 2 complex sentences. And you guys can see the subordinated conjunction. Let me ask you something. For a simple sentence, do you need a conjunction? Yes or no? No. For a compound sentence, do you need a conjunction? Yes. And for the complex sentence? Yeah.
Only for two sentences simple.
Yes. But don't forget that the complex sentence, you put it at the beginning of the sentence.
And the complex.
The sentence in the same sentence or kind of the reason of the first sentence?
Yes. And you guys can start working. Did you take the picture, guys? Yes? There you go.
Verónica y filming a video for the future. Está bueno.
Eso está fácil. Mientras tengas uno, no puedo aprender. ¿Qué otra? Mientras yo, por ejemplo, mientras yo tengo ganas de
Just a second. Right. But I need that you take a picture because I need to stop by one by one to make some question for you.
Because today we have an exam.
Listo, mi amor.
Because today we have an exam. We have to start. Who, which, and that. Es lo que quiero preguntar si se dice siempre no, pero con las con las otras con las because
Pero las otras.
¿cómo?
Right? Run. Then pues, after you run,
Yeah, because it's a conjunction.
Sí. Casi siempre me conocía con estos. Con estos. No, por ejemplo aquí podemos hacer. No, pero
está bien ubicada ahí.
because
¿Tú crees
I
que está
had.
bien
Por eso empiezas con because I had. No, pero es como que I. O un punto because I had headache. I went to my house. Porque yo tuve dolor de cabeza, me fui a mi casa.
Right?
Ya.
Estaba pensando en eso.
Otro tema, ¿no? Ok, porque te...
This is one. I was watching and eating
¿Podemos usar
at the
izquierda?
same time. Al mismo tiempo.
I have to leave my
Questions?
job.
Yes, I need to send
La dos sería...
She's very familiar. She has a presentation and she was good. Good.
When I was young,
She was
I had more time. When I was young,
You could say she's beautiful, but she's
yo puedo incluso
or she's obnoxious, or she's hyper.
teacher.
She's beautiful, black.
What do you think about this sentence? It's a formula?
An appointment. I read an apartment. Yeah.
Y entonces, ¿de qué no?
This one is I have to because
She was a child.
because that's a simple. I have to start it simple. That's a simple sentence.
¿Y cómo le podríamos hablar? Porque no estoy...
Because I don't study. Or I have to study because I don't understand. Or even I don't understand. Or Google, I don't
O sea, serían dos sentences.
Yes, it's compuesto.
What does it mean this word? Alright, shy. Como tu médico, shy.
Yeah, could be
For enjoying the life.
Oh,
I will say to start
For go out with our...
no, the meaning is by soon. Like the other day.
toda la vida. Toda la vida.
You can use to all that's
You guys need more time?
Because it's hard, it's not as hard.
How's everything right here?
Bien.
Yo creo que podría ser nada más al revés. Yo, pero como no lo he pasado, yo intentaba dormir.
Okay, let me see.
Sí, no, además es dramático. I enjoy music, I enjoy my dinner, I watch through the window. I watch through the window.
Estudiantes de Escuela Popular, Inglés 1A, regresar a sus clases, por favor. Resto de la escuela puede salir al lunch. Gracias.
When you went on vacation,
No,
Tienes que ir más rápido y ir más largo. No, es que ir más largo.
when you chose,
No, esa no es la que se
no, el otro es
Esa es la que siempre haces.
through. El otro es throughout.
when you
Throughout.
Teacher, you want some break?
Let me a second.
Okay, you guys want to give me one example? Who want to share the examples?
Se me había perdido.
Okay, a simple sentence.
Ya.
Edward
Voy a...
and Lily. Chicos, please pay attention. Dime. The sun shines. That's simple. Edward, compound sentence. What did you guys do?
The sun shine and it is raining.
Sunshine
And
It's shiny.
and
and
it's raining.
it's raining.
Yeah. Thank you. Violet. Complex.
I put it because I got late at work. I had a warning.
I had a warning. Yeah, that's good. Because I was late at work, I had a warning. Daniel, you wanna share with us? Whatever, it's fine. Complex, compounds.
Complex, when I was working, and I was tired, I didn't go to the
That's good. When I was working, also I was tired, I didn't go to bed. Yeah? There you go. Muchachos, as we always work in the handouts, we always try to do what you need to do every class. I tried today to do something different, working in pairs. How you feel about it? Do you guys like? Yes, no?
Yes.
What do you wanna say?
It's like practice for we can share our knowledge with others classmates.
Thank you, Violeta. Señora Evita, did you like it? Work with Jenny? Different ideas, good. Someone else? No one? You learned so much? Talking with Araceli? Yeah. Okay, muchachos. That's it for now.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Le saqué la lengua a
Thank
mi
you,
profesor.
teacher.